Welcome to Mini Orange Social Login plugin. To set up user moderation in WordPress using Mini Orange Social Login, go to Mini Orange Social Login, then click on Configure Apps, then Enable Applications. Activate the social login icons according to your requirements on WordPress. Now go to Premium Features tab. Then enable User Moderation option. Register with any social login applications on your website. Now here the user will get notified that he is successfully registered, but the admin need to approve the activation. Click OK to continue. Go back to Admin Dashboard, then click on Users. Here admin gets an option to activate Register User. Click on Activate button to activate the user's account. Click OK to continue. Again click on Google App. User will get successfully activated on your website. And the user will get notified through email. After the admin activates the account, user can access the website. Thank you for choosing Mini Orange. For more information, reach miniorange.com, or you can contact us at info@secure5.com.